So, as part of Guidewire integration, this is what generally the system flow generally we follow when we are integrating with external systems uh, by using integration layers, followed by any kind of message plugins we are connecting with, right? So, whenever we trigger an event to integrate with integration layers with any external systems or services and all. So, wherein we transform and routing the securities, the security of data, right? So, a connectivity we need to establish. We are using enterprise service bus, etc. So, in this regard, first of all, we must be knowing about what and how generally Guidewire integration we use it. So, generally, this Guidewire integration with any internal or external systems we are connecting with. We are following the event-driven architecture because event-driven architecture majorly uses so through the using the event-driven architecture through the application event services which are building on Apache Kafka for any real-time data exchange or any integration framework for any traditional synchronizations. Either it can be SOAP, RESTful API, and all that. At the same time, whatever the asynchronous methods that we use, either it can be message queues or batch files and all these platforms will support various integration patterns, including application events for reacting to core system changes, integration gateway for any custom integration logics or batch processings for any kind of high volume data transfers. Along with that, any integration data managers for managing any external data within the specific data pools. All these can be done using this Guidewire integration. When we try to understand about the components, the key components, integration components and all, one about the application event services, as I already mentioned. Because application event services on the Google Cloud platform, this can be generated. Like next, integration gateway is one of the component where we need to have a dedicated services for building and deploying integration applications to handle any RESTful APIs. So for that, integration gateway is required. Next, one of the important Guidewire integration framework, as in when we know, like using SOAP REST APIs or any message queues or any batch processes. These can be used in this. So these are the words which are used when we are working on the Guidewire integration. So how are we transforming and how are we routing this integration with the middleware? Either it can be enterprise service bus part. This we discuss in the next session.